You replay conversations because your brain is still searching. When an interaction ends, the social signals disappear. No more tone. No more feedback. No more confirmation. But the brain does not like unfinished signals. So it reconstructs the moment. What did that pause mean? Did that tone change? Was that response too slow? The mind scans for mistakes. Not to punish you. To restore certainty. Social interaction has always been tied to survival. If something felt unstable, the brain tried to repair it. Replaying the moment is an attempt to close the loop. But most loops cannot be closed. The interaction is already over. So the brain keeps searching. The more attention you give the replay, the stronger the loop becomes. Eventually the system learns something important. Uncertainty does not always require resolution. When the brain accepts that signal, the loop stops repeating. Not because the conversation changed, but because the need for certainty faded.